Let's call me Agent X. Been in the real estate game for more years than I care to count. The game was changing, and I was getting left behind. Paperwork piling up, leads drying out like a virtual desert. Then I heard about these cloud-based brokerages. Virtual real estate brokerage, they called it. One name kept popping up. Real Broker LLC, founded by some guy named Tamir Poleg. Rumor had it, he was reshaping the digital landscape. Their ReZen app? It was like having a whole office in my pocket. Transactions, commissions, support, all at my fingertips. But the real kicker? The stock options, ownership in the company, a piece of the future right in my wallet, the training, non-stop. Classes on everything from social media to personal development. It was like drinking from a fire hose of pure distilled knowledge. I took the plunge, and suddenly, I was part of something bigger. A community of agents, all connected, all driven. No more desk fees, no more franchise costs. Just pure potential and a whole lot of zeros in my bank account. The technology was mind-blowing. Real signature for e-signs, Worvivo for collaboration, and Leo, Real Broker's personal AI. And get this, they even have an elite agent status. Hit your targets and you're looking at up to $24,000 in company stock. Annually. The revenue share program? It's not about recruiting, it's about producing. Real rewards the hustlers, not the smooth talkers. It's a meritocracy in the truest sense. I remember my first open house, clients from across the globe all tuning in. Sure, there were challenges, but the payoff? Worth every pixel. Now I'm a tech-savvy, globally connected virtual real estate mogul. Real Broker LLC isn't just a company, it's a revolution, and trust me, you want to be part of it.